Hey everyone! So this is my day 6 after my at-home micro needling using Banisher 2.0. And for today's video, I will do a patch test of my TCA 50% solution for me to check if I will have any allergic reaction to the solution, and also to check if it's really a pure TCA solution or if it's really authentic. And also, I will share some of my preparation for my upcoming chemical peel session using 50% TCA peel or solution. Alright, going back in the video, so for me, the TCA solution that I purchased is really authentic or pure TCA solution. As you can see in the video, the area on my ear where I put the TCA solution has frosting. And also, a few seconds after I apply the solution on my ear, it stings. So I am confident that the TCA solution that I purchased is authentic, and good luck to me next week. So I just put plastic on it and then to make sure it is really sealed and no airflow. Alright, so here I'll be using the ordinary glycolic acid 7% toning solution. This is in preparation for my next week TCA peel or chemical peel session. Of course, using 50%. So I made a research and I found out that you may use glycolic acid or lactic acid for 5 to 7 days before applying or using TCA peel solution, because by doing this, the TCA treatment will be more effective. So let's see if it's really true. Alright, so this is my normal skincare routine. So of course, I will use the Banish Fighter Gel. So this is a soothing gel. You know that. This is one of my favorites. And this is one of the products that really helped me in treating my acne breakouts. So now, as you can see, I don't have any more active pimples. And I'm super happy. Alright, and then next I'll be using the Banish Serum. This is a dark spot corrector with vitamin C and E. This will help to boost the collagen production on our skin. And I am also using this to fade or to remove my dark spots or dark marks from my previous acne breakouts, and also the hyperpigmentation that was caused by or left by my previous TCA cross treatment. Alright, and then lastly, I'll be using the Banish Instant Lift Brightening Eye Cream. So this will help to remove the puffiness on your eyes, dark circles, and also wrinkles and fine lines. And of course, by consistently using this product, it will prevent you from having those problems. And for my lips, I'll be using the aloe vera lip balm to keep my lips moisturized. Alright, so that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching. So don't forget to follow me and subscribe to my channel. Bye! Mwah.